The coolest part of this procedure is it allows you to get out of glasses permanently. So you can say goodbye to these suckers. If you've ever needed reading glasses, you already know how annoying they can be. You're constantly losing them, you can never find them when you need them. You may have a different pair for every room in your house. They may be permanently fixed to your shirt so you don't lose them. Maybe you just keep them on your forehead. But really, if you've ever needed reading glasses, you know they can be quite a drag. But there is a surgery which can correct your vision and get you out of reading glasses. This surgery is called lens replacement surgery. Lens replacement surgery is probably not anything you've heard of before, which is why I'm doing this video, why you're watching this video. But it's a great way to permanently correct your vision and get you out of reading glasses. So here's what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about what is lens replacement surgery and how is it done? Who is it used for? What are the main benefits of lens replacement surgery? And are there any drawbacks? So the reason why you need reading glasses is because of this particular lens inside your eye. This lens gives us our ability to see things up close. But gradually over time, this lens starts to become weak. As this lens becomes weak, the first thing that you notice is you have to push things out a little bit more in order to see them. And then your up close vision, you can't really make out things at all. And then finally, you have a hard time seeing things on the computer as well. That's when you go into reading glasses, bifocals, or progressive glasses in order to bring back that up close vision. This is something known as presbyopia. It happens to everyone, typically starting in the mid-40s. Now, laser eye surgery, like Lasik, can still be used to correct vision and bring back that up-close focus. But it works well for some people and doesn't work as well for other individuals. For those that are nearsighted, those that can already see well up close, they just have a harder time seeing off in the distance. With Lasik, you can correct one eye for the distance and leave the other one a little bit nearsighted. That way, between both of the eyes, you see well off in the distance and well up close. This is known as monovision. It works well for those nearsighted individuals. Those individuals that are farsighted, though, who can see better off in the distance, they just have a harder time seeing things up close. Although, as their lens gets weaker, they have a harder time seeing in the distance as well. Lasik just doesn't work quite as well. There's limitations to how much Lasik can treat to get them out of glasses. In addition, the Lasik just won't last forever. What continues to happen is this lens inside your eye continues to change. As this lens continues to change, it gets cloudy, it starts to cause you to lose vision. At that point, this lens is called a cataract, and then people have cataract surgery to take care of that lens and get their vision corrected. So instead of using Lasik to correct vision, often the better way to go is simply to replace the lens, since the lens isn't doing a whole lot for you. And that's what lens replacement surgery is. Essentially what you do is you take out this lens since it's not doing a whole lot for you, and you put a new artificial lens in place which is clear to correct vision and get you out of glasses for the rest of your life. Lens replacement surgery is frequently done in a surgery center such as this one. The procedure itself only takes about 15 to 20 minutes per eye. You are awake during the surgery, however, frequently medications such as Xanax, Valium, or Versed is given in order to make it even easier. The process starts off by dilating your eyes. Once your eyes are fully dilated, frequently a laser is used in order to break up the lens and can also correct any astigmatism to give you the best possible vision. Afterwards, your surgeon will bring you underneath an operating microscope and your lens is dissolved in place through a process called phacoemulsification. Your new artificial lens is placed within the eye, and all the tiny micro incisions are made watertight. The recovery is actually pretty quick. Within about a day, you're already seeing better. There are some restrictions for the first week. You will want to limit your physical activity and heavy lifting, and there's some water-related restrictions as well. Overall, it's a process which is very easy to go through. So what are the main benefits of lens replacement surgery? Well, of course, the first one, getting you out of glasses. But not only can we get you out of glasses, each eye can be fully corrected for distance, computer, and reading vision. If you remember back when we talked about Lasik, the way Lasik is used to correct for that loss of up-close vision is through something known as monovision or mini monovision. One eye is corrected fully for the distance, while the other eye is corrected for reading vision. That works well, but the cool thing about lens replacement surgery is you don't have to have that limitation. Each eye can see that whole range of vision that you need. The second very cool benefit about lens replacement surgery is that it's permanent. The lens inside your eye is the last thing which continues to change over time. As I talked about, this lens becomes cloudy and turns into a cataract. Well, lens replacement surgery, by nature of taking care of this lens, it's impossible to get cataracts in the future. So ultimately, once you're good for the rest of your life. Finally, lens replacement surgery can also be used to correct astigmatism in order to get you your best vision possible. So those are the main benefits. Are there any downsides of lens replacement surgery? Well, there's no free lunch. Lens replacement surgery does have a downside. The biggest one is the cost. Lens replacement surgery typically is about twice the price of laser eye surgery such as Lasik. There is simply a little bit more that goes into the process in order to give you that permanent vision correction. Well, that about sums up lens replacement surgery. If you enjoyed this video or learn more about lens replacement surgery, leave a comment in the section below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video in order to hear more great eye content.